If you've ever wondered what a Commode chair is, how to use one, or even if it's right for you, stick around because we're going to cover all of that and more. Let's start off with what a Commode is. A Commode is a portable toilet that can be used on its own or can be placed over a toilet. They are commonly used to help people who have limited mobility and can't travel to the bathroom from their bed. They also have removable waste bins that are usually compatible with a Commode liner for easy cleanup. When shopping for a Commode chair, most of them are considered a 3-in-1. However, there are also options like the Commode steel Commode with wheels shown here that double as a transfer chair for patients that require a wheelchair. Additionally, most Commodes are compatible with Commode liners, which usually contain absorbent powders that reduce splashing and odor. To use your Commode, simply lift the cover, or if you're using it over a toilet, lift the toilet seat lid and place your Commode over top of the bowl. Remember, following the manufacturer's instructions is essential to follow proper maintenance and sanitation while using a Commode. If you're looking for a Commode for yourself or someone else, check us out online at halohealthcare.com. Let us know if you enjoyed this video by leaving a comment in the section below and by subscribing to our YouTube channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.